online tool, and then how to put that logo on your header like this. Then on the right side, how to put that navigation. Also, I will show you how to create these drop down menus. Then I will show you how to create this type of beautiful banner area, how to work with all these headings, paragraphs, how to design the buttons. And then here you can create some fun facts about your business. Next, I will show you how you can turn your images within these creative shapes to look it really cool. Then I will show you how to create this beautiful services area with these nice hover effects. Also, if you have a close look, you see all these icons are basically animated icons. Then next, I will show you how to create this beautiful filterable portfolio area. Like here under web design category, you can put all your web designs work. Similarly, you can put all your SEO work under here. You can put your other works under different category. And then if you hover over on any single portfolio, you can put their different title and description. Also, if you click on this plus icon, the project images will appear within this beautiful light box. Also, you can navigate them through these arrows like this. Alright, right after that, I will also show you how to create this beautiful testimonial area. Here you can put some of your clients' best reviews. Then next, let's go to our about page. I will show you how to create a beautiful about page. Also, by clicking on this Meet Our Awesome Team, here you can put all your team members. Like you can share all of their pictures, their name, their job title. Also, you can put their social handle links. Then I will show you how to create these beautiful counters where you can put some fun facts about your business, like how many projects you have done, how many clients reviews do you have, like this. Then I will also show you how you can reuse a section that we already have created on the home page. That will save us a lot of time. And then let's go to our services page. Similar like the about page, here we can also reuse some of the areas we have already created on the home page. And then here underneath, I will show you how to create this beautiful pricing table. Then from top, if we hover over on services, here we can see some submenu items. Basically, these are single services pages. So from here, if we click on web design, basically this is a dedicated page for only web design services. So here you can talk more about your web design business specifically. I will also show you how you can put your images within this beautiful blob shape, how to showcase your services core features like best quality support or money back guarantee. Then I will also show you how to insert videos within your website so people can watch the video without leaving your website. Then I will also show you how to create this type of beautiful FAQ section where you can basically answer your customers' most commonly asked questions. Alright, then next let's go to our blog page. Here we can see all the blog posts with their featured image. Here is the blog title. Also you can see blog categories, the blog author. Also first few lines from the main blog post. Then from here, if we click any of the featured image or the title, let's click here. This is our single blog post page. So I will also show you how to write a blog post, how you can insert images within the blog post. And then let's scroll down. Here, have a look. People also can make comments on your blog post. And if we now scroll up and have a look on the right sidebar, I will also show you how to put ads onto your blog post. In this way, you can also earn some extra cash. Then how to put these recent posts or categories area on your sidebar. And then lastly, let's go to our contact page. I will show you how to create this beautiful contact page. Here we can see our beautiful contact form. So by using this contact form, people can contact you immediately. Also, if you want, you can put your email address or WhatsApp phone number. So there are basically different ways for your clients to communicate you faster. Then let's say if you are a local business and if you're willing to share your business address, then I will show you how to put this Google Map address. How cool is that? Not only that, I will also show you how to make all your website pages 100% responsive for mobile devices and tablet devices. Can you believe we will be doing all of this just by drag and drop and by using only free resources? Alright, we will be creating our beautiful website in easy 4 steps. First, I will show you how to get your own domain name and web hosting. I will also provide you a 70% discount link. Then how to install WordPress. Then how to install a free theme and a free page builder. finally we will start creating our amazing website step by step. Also, I will be adding a timestamp in the description so you can always jump into the necessary part you need. Let's now start with step number 1, which is to get your domain name and web hosting. So first of all, what is a domain name? Domain name is basically your website address, like Facebook has facebook.com, Amazon has amazon.com, I have jimfahaddigital.com. Similarly, for your website, you need an address that will be your website name.com. And what is web hosting? Web hosting is the storage space for your website. All the images, text you will have in your website, all will be stored on your own web hosting. As you are owning your own web hosting, so there wouldn't be any limitation. You can run ads, you can upload any images or text, you can upload any themes or plugins you want. You are in charge of your website. Alright, now how to get your own domain name and web hosting? To get your web hosting, just click on the very first link in the description below this video, or you can just type jimfahaddigital.com/NameHero and hit enter. That will take you to a special discounted NameHero page. Now why NameHero? Well, I'm a web developer. I've been developing websites for my clients for the last 10 years and I have tested almost all web hosting companies from the best to the worst. Whenever I talk about web hosting, I prioritize these 3 things. Number 1, super fast website speed, then fast support, thirdly affordable price. And NameHero passes all these very strongly. I have hosted some of my clients' websites at NameHero where they have got millions of visitors on their website without any downtime. That's why I personally use it and I recommend all of my clients to host their websites at NameHero. To get it, click here on Get Started Now. We can see there are different plans here. Actually, you can take any of these packages depending on your needs and budget. Like here, if you want to host only one website, then you can take this starter cloud plan. With the plus cloud plan, you can host 7 websites. Then here is the turbo and business cloud plans. If you're an agency, I highly recommend you to take any of these packages in between this turbo cloud and business cloud, because here you can host unlimited websites. Also, you will get NVMe storage that will make your websites lightning fast. With the first 2 packages, you are getting unlimited SSD storage, which